Hello, this is JP Hrisoulas, the Cranky Old Bastard. The grip has been pared down. The bronze and the horn have been smoothed over and basically rubbed out to 240 grit. Now I'm going to cut the file work on this. It's like the same as I did before. Make sure you got it hold up really nice and tight in the vise, and just start push forward and down and back and up. Forward and down, up and back. What you want to do is you want to cut on the push stroke and just let it cut it on yourself. Once you get it started, you can just work it away. Now, as you can see, I got the grip protected by 3 or 4 wraps of that blue painter's tape. So, not if I make a boo-boo, it's a matter of when you make a boo-boo. It goes skittering off onto the tape and doesn't muck up the grit, you know, the horn. Horn's real soft. It's tough, but it's soft. So you want to basically push down and forward, lift up and back, down and forward, up and back. The groove will guide itself around. Just a little bit of pressure here. Now when you get down here, bring it down a little bit. Now I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to flip this around and do the other side. Then I'll do the top and the bottom, and then blend everything in. Then I'll do the bolster. Okay. Now this bronze I flared out, and the horn went next to it in the same basic direction that the bone was going on the grip, and that gives you like a nice flow as far as style goes and visual appeal. Now I could leave these plain, but let's tart them up. I mean, you know, it's just a few minutes and it looks so much better, a little more visually appealing, at least to me. And since I'm the one doing this, that's what matters. I mean, like I said, it's all up to you what you're doing. I'm just giving you a couple of ideas and showing you how to do a few things in case you don't know how. I mean, like I said before, there's really nothing difficult about this. It's all in the hands that do it and the brain that guides them. Now I'm going to flip this around here again. I'm going to do this edge, top. I picked the bottom. Creaky device. Sounds like my knees. Okay. Tighten that up. Now I'll just now you see how I'm bringing this around? This is the quick and dirty one. This is the quick and dirty cut. Because once I get this started, I'm going to come around here on this back side and bring this around a little bit more so I can meet them in the middle here. Whoa! My fault. I said I'm a bull in a china shop. Once I get it, can't see it here, but I'm meeting it right there. Now I will meld this around once I get everything cut. Now this isn't very even. I'll even that out once I get this ring cut. Now I'll flip this around the vise and do the top. It's going to take a little more time because more material to move. And then after I do the bolster, I'll show you how to roll it and get everything all evened out. Okay. I have to cut this up here and work it down. I have to cut it here and work it down, yeah. Blade's so flexible. I clamp it by the grip, but I don't want to crush it because sometimes I don't know my own strength, and right now that would really be not a good thing to do because this is about done. So I gotta clean the file. Clean the file. It's loading up. There we go. Let's try this side here. Different angle of attack. Yeah, that's better. Bring this around. I'm kind of cutting this left-handed, I know, but it cuts. Now I'll come back around to the other side. Do it this way. And then I'll do the bolster plate and show you how to even everything out. Boy, this is really flipping. We'll try grab a little farther up on the blade so it doesn't flex as much. That's better. That's better. Tell you how flexible that blade is, huh? Cable can be a really interesting material to use. Whoa, there I did it again. I'll tell you, I'm about as clumsy as a drunken chimpanzee. Okay, now I'll cut this here. Little cuts to bring it around. Little cuts to bring it around. Okay, now I got about a quarter of an inch to join it. So here we go. Light cuts. Gotta finagle my way around the camera here because I can't really attack it the way I want to, and it's just about joined, and here it goes. Like I said, this is just roughed in. I'm going off the edge. Well, if you ask me, all my friends say I went off the edge years ago. But okay, this is basically roughed in. Now I'm going to do the bolster, and I'm going to start on the top because I've already device. And move this around. So move the camera this way a little bit. Out of my way somewhat. There I go. This is much better. Much better. So over the edge so I don't bayonet myself on the tip. I've been known to do that. Here again, push forward and down. Back and up. Forward, down, up and back. Forward, down, forward. Back and up. And it just keeps cutting. As you see, it cuts real nice. This phosphor brown is really good for that. Now I'm going to do the other edge, which is the bottom. Then I'll do the sides. Then I'll show you how we meld everything and smooth everything together here. Just took a spot and start cutting. These little bolsters can be a little bit of a pain to cut because it's so, whoa, got it again. Well, I'll tell you. Show you I'm not used to being on camera. I can never do that for a living. I have too much self-respect. Besides, last thing I want to do is help you know what I look like really. But okay, so I think that's enough for me to flip this around and do the flats. Yeah, I got plenty there. Yeah. Okay. Get her up. Nice and snug. Now I'm going to do the back side a little bit more here. Now I want to connect that with that here. So I'll start here and disconnect it. Clear the file again, it's getting kind of loaded up. Now I'll connect this. That's connected. Now I'll do these here. I'll do the other side. A few more minutes. I'll flip this around and do this by hand real quick. Hold on. Okay, now do this flat side here. We'll be done. Whoa! Boy, poor camera. It's really getting beat up today, I tell you. So, a few more licks here of the file. I can show you how we get everything nice and even. Okay. Now, this is how I'm going to show you. Whoa, how we put everything together on the vise here. You pat it up just like that, and you see this area here has been matched. Watch this. Okay, you want to push forward and roll. See, I'm rolling it. That'll put it all together. Now you do this all the way around, and it evens up the groove and makes it nice and smooth in there. And get a couple times around, check it. You can see it's all nice and even. It's amazing what a little smoothing can do. and I'm turning the file if I've noticed it. And now I do the same on the pommel plate. And that's basically the way it's done. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscription button. And the next step is I buff this up a little bit. I got a couple more licks here. I got a couple of holidays here. Didn't quite go there. And hit the subscription button if you can. Hit the like button if you like it. The next step will be figuring out if I want to put silver, the stainless steel studs in this, or the bronze. I hope you liked the video. This is the Cranky Old Bastard, wishing you a pleasant evening, and may the wise Lord keep you and yours safe. Good night.